Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Technics earbuds with your MacBook. So first of all, open the charging case and remove both earbuds. Now you have to take a look for these indicators. As you can see, they start blinking. It means that we are in the pairing mode. So we have to put it close to your MacBook and then simply open the Bluetooth settings. Take a look for the nearby devices. It looks like it takes too much time, so we can try to enter the pairing mode manually. We have to just grab both earbuds, click and hold on the touch panels, and just take a look for these indicators. There we go. When it starts blinking like that, as you can see, we can already find them on the list. So select your Technics EAH-AZ60 from the list, click on the connect button, and right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.